A monumental engineering feat, the Bering Strait crossing stands as a symbol of a connected world.
As the data streams confirm, the structural integrity holds firm against the powerful Arctic currents.
Connecting America and Asia across the 53-mile gap, engineers propose solutions.
This massive submerged structure represents the next leap in global connectivity, crossing the historic Bering Strait.
Rerouting the power conduits through the secondary nexus point should stabilize the thermal regulators.
Confirmed. That resolves the heat displacement issue on level 4.
The angled structure of the pillar is designed to withstand the immense pressure of the Arctic ice flow.
The Arctic offers only a brief window for construction, demanding unprecedented speed from our automated fleets.
Unit 4, confirm stabilization.
Affirmative. Crane 2 holding position. Weather advisory in effect.
The MV Pioneer pushes through the Arctic ice, delivering vital components for the data station project.
With pinpoint accuracy, these colossal structures are lowered into the frigid depths, forming the backbone of the trans-Arctic connection.
Project Icebridge demonstrates how resilient infrastructure can transform even the most hostile environments on Earth.
To withstand the Arctic's fury, the bridge relies on thousands of embedded sensors, feeding real-time data to this control room. Future infrastructure in the Arctic prioritizes wildlife safety, utilizing advanced, quiet technology to minimize impact.
Beginning in 2020,
Utilizing advanced geotechnical concepts, the foundation safely dissipates the seismic waves, ensuring the integrity of the structure. These conical bases are designed to split the massive ice sheets, diverting the flow and protecting the structure from immense pressure.
Ice shear reading unstable near marker gamma.
Copy that. Adjusting course slightly right.
The precision of the automated systems ensures structural integrity, even in this extreme environment, forming
This future infrastructure allows safe passage for the largest vessels, maintaining a consistent clearance height even in extreme conditions.
If I rotate the structural grid here, we gain another 5% efficiency.
Confirmed. The drone can handle the calibration immediately.
Excellent. Let's proceed with the alignment sequence.
In the Arctic, this next-generation road material resists the deep freeze.
In the unforgiving climate of the Arctic, these autonomous drones ensure the structural integrity of the mega bridge.
Acknowledged. Interface stable.
We are ready for the power surge.
The AI suggests optimizing the energy flow here.
Yes, but if we reroute the thermal regulators, we improve structural integrity.
Agreed.
Designed to withstand Category 5 blizzards, these corridors remain a stable 20 degrees Celsius, ensuring evacuee safety.
The salinity levels are fluctuating more than the model predicted.
Yes, and the thermistor readings confirm the subsurface warming event.
The airflow visualization clearly demonstrates how the transparent barriers effectively mitigate the intense winds coming off the fjord.
Spanning the great northern fjords, this maglev system is the future of cold environment engineering.
Sunrise over the new Silk Road. This marvel of engineering braves the harshest climate on Earth.
The Trans-Arctic Elevated Highway represents a monumental leap in large-scale engineering, utilizing advanced
When compared to iconic structures like the Golden Gate or the Milo Viaduct, the sheer scale of this Arctic crossing is truly unprecedented in modern engineering.
As the Arctic fog rolls in, the automated defense systems initiate. The fog sensors scan the atmosphere.